Okay. Take 2, urinary system model key. Right kidney. Cortex. Renal pyramid in the medulla. Renal column. Minor calyx. Major calyx. Renal pelvis. Right adrenal gland. Left adrenal gland. Left kidney. Left renal artery. Left renal vein. Right renal artery. Right renal vein. Inferior vena cava. Abdominal aorta. Right ureter. Left ureter. Urinary bladder. Rectum. And 7D there, and there is the ureteral orifice. 7D. Trigony or trigon. Looks like there's a little hole right there and a little hole right there. And then this is the internal urethral orifice. Internal urethral sphincter. This one's pointing to. This is pointing to the urethra. Internal urethral orifice. Internal urethral sphincter. Urethra.